Hey guys, it's your girl Nelly. As you can see in the title, we're going to be doing ash blonde toned bob today by Eayon hair. Because of my lighting, the hair doesn't look as toned as it should be. But when you look at the video of how I accomplished this look, you'll see the finished product. Right now I'm doing kind of a wet and wavy kind of look right now. So let's get into the video. So today we're going to do a video with Eayon hair. As you can see by the title, we're doing a ash blonde toned look on this hair. This is actually a 14-inch lace frontal bob. The texture is Bodywave. I know it kind of looks straight, but it's really Bodywave, I guess. The color, if you go on the website, I'll leave everything in the description. It's T3 613 and it's a 150 density, a 13x4 lace frontal wig. And these are the products that we'll be using today. I'll list everything in the description for you guys. So the first product that we're using is the T10 Pale Blonde. And you're just going to add number 30 developer, any developer that you have, and mix it into a bowl with the first box of actual toner, T10 Pale Blonde. It's very inexpensive. So you're just going to want to apply that to the hair and make sure that every strand of hair gets the same amount of dye, okay guys? Later on in the video, you're going to see I'm going to actually add more dye to the hair because I felt like it needed more. But you can also add more developer to the dye to get more product, if you know what I mean. So just go ahead and keep adding the product. I advise you guys to use better gloves than I did because these gloves were cheap as hell. And these are the only ones I could find and they were slipping off the whole entire time. And also my wig head was giving like hella problems, but whatever. So just go ahead and keep applying the product onto the hair. And this is a 14-inch lace frontal wig, guys. I'm not gonna cut it, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. I really hate bobs, but this is my spring break look. Okay, so once you get to the top part and you start applying the dye, don't be stingy with the dye, guys. You can put it all over the hair. Just don't get it onto the lace. Once you finish applying, you're gonna go ahead and start using the T28 Natural Blonde dye and go ahead and add the same number 30 developer to it. This is another color that we're gonna use to actually give you that ash blonde look. And at first I was so confused, like why is the dye coming out like this pasty, lumpy looking type of jelly thing? But don't be scared, guys, that's how it's supposed to look. I was panicking low key. And yes, you're gonna apply the T28 Natural Blonde on top of the first color that we did. You're not washing it out, you're just applying it on top to give it that ash blonde look, like brown. Okay, and once you apply all of that to the hair, make sure every strand gets touched, guys. I want it to look perfect. Perfect. Okay, so you're gonna let it sit for a little bit. Me personally, I would say about 20 minutes. I did it for like 5 minutes. That was like a quick little 5 minutes because I wanted to see the outcome so bad. I was so excited about this color. So I let it sit for like 5 minutes, but I recommend 20 minutes. And then just comb out so that every strand gets the same amount of dye. And when you're doing this and combing it out, you're gonna eventually see some parts that are missing dye. So just go ahead and retouch that up with the remainder of product that you have. As you can see, I had to do that. So just go ahead and add more product. And after that, all you have to do is just wash out the product. After the 20 minutes, guys, 20 minutes, you wash out the product with conditioner or any shampoo, or you can use the purple bottle, I forgot the name of it, but to let the color stay. I didn't use that, but I just used conditioner. It's gonna give like a soapy type of consistency when you're washing out the color, but don't be scared, guys, it's gonna do that. Just use conditioner. And this is the outcome, guys, our toned ash blonde wig. And I'm going to show you guys the finished product and how I style it